Novi is the world's first portable security device that you can place anywhere to monitor your home, apartment, or office any time of the day. Novi is a one-time purchase system with no contracts or monthly fees, and it instantly sends picture notifications to your smartphone when it detects a potential problem. We feel peace of mind knowing that our loved ones and things are safe and watched over. Traditional security systems are expensive, require long-term contracts, and often send false alarms to the police. They also cost too much to install in a rental home or office. That's about to change.
Novi puts you in control of your security. To install, just plug in the base station, sync with your phone, and stick the monitor to your ceiling. The monitor is battery powered, so you can put it wherever you want, and it has 3 security features: an HD camera, a motion detector, and a smoke detector. When it's armed and detects a problem, it takes a picture and sends it right to your smartphone in just seconds. Then you control the response. Novi is portable, so you can take it with you. It doesn't leave holes or require any hard wires, so it's perfect for renters. When you move, just take it to go. You can install as many Novi monitors as you want, and multiple users and devices can be synced to the monitor, so everyone stays informed. Plus, Novi is smart. It remembers your behavior and learns when to arm and disarm the system, even if you forget. The uses of Novi are endless, and we're excited to see just how you use it. We wanted to see what our customers wanted in the Novi Security system, so we took it to the homes and asked them. Their responses resulted in all of Novi's key features, including a battery-powered monitor, a discrete design that looks like a normal smoke detector, and the ability to sync multiple monitors and devices.
Novi is changing the home security industry. We want renters and homeowners everywhere to have a system perfectly designed for them. Say goodbye to expensive contracts and false police alarms. It's time for change. We have a working prototype and we want to launch as soon as possible. And with your support, we can get Novi Security to market. So join us. No contract, no monthly fee, Novi.
Welcome home. This is Sarah. She loves traveling. Even more, she loves returning home. Sarah often rents out her home while she's away. Like all of us, she sometimes wonders if everything is all right at home. Sarah wanted peace of mind, but not to make her guests uncomfortable with cameras. Now she uses Point. Point is a smart house sitter. It listens to Sarah's home, senses what's in the air, and lets her know if anything is wrong. Point can recognize sounds, like guests arriving or if a window breaks. Its innovative sensor technology also recognizes things like smoke, cigarette fumes, and other common home hazards. Point is simple and unbranded, allowing it to blend into any home, anywhere. It connects to the internet over Wi-Fi and sends notifications to your smartphone.
I can choose what events I get notified about, like cigarette smoke. I can also set a threshold for the acceptable noise level in my apartment at different hours. If it is too loud, Point will glow yellow as a friendly reminder to keep it down. I'm only alerted if the noise level remains really high. I want to keep good friends with my great neighbors.
Point lets Sarah know everything is all right when she's away, like feeling a heartbeat from home.
Hi, I'm Nils, and I miss my home. Right now, I'm in Shenzhen, China. My team and I, we moved here from Scandinavia to be part of HAX, the world's leading hardware accelerator. We designed Point for people like ourselves. We wanted peace of mind to know that everything was fine at home. Our only option was cameras and intrusive sensors. It shouldn't have to be like this. Form is pioneering a new approach. We call it soft security. Form is a Scandinavian team with an international outlook. We bring half a decade of experience from Apple in California, from several previous startups, and the Nordic telecom giants. We know how to make things. After many nights of hard work, we're finally one step away from manufacturing. If we reach our goal, the first batch of points for beta testing will be available early next year.
So if you believe like we do, that security shouldn't come with surveillance, then please back us and help bring Point to the world. Yeah!
Hi Kickstarters. You know sometimes you just can't reach your phone? Maybe you're driving or it's buried in your bag. Or perhaps you just want to quickly activate one of your phone's functions. Well, allow us to introduce Qmote, the all-in-one smart remote. Qmote is a handy coin-sized device in a slim and elegant brushed metal shell and is equipped with a single easy-to-click button. Qmote is also water resistant, with a battery life that allows you to click the button up to 60,000 times. Here now are just some of the many things that you can do with your Qmote. Qmote can trigger snooze on your alarm for a bit more sleep. Or it can activate Siri. It can help to locate your phone when you just can't find it. Or start navigation when your phone is on the dashboard mount. Qmote can act as a handy wireless presenter, connecting easily to your computer and requiring no extra software or hardware to clutter up your desktop. Qmote is one of the many channels on IFT, the world-famous Internet of Things platform. This means that Qmote can remotely control smart appliances such as Nest and Wemo, and will be compatible with future IFT appliances and applications. The ability to turn on your air conditioning and house lights while driving home is no longer science fiction, but an affordable reality for everyone. Setting up Qmote is as easy as pie. Qmote is an intuitive app providing you with all the functionality you can imagine. Thank you for watching our video. With your creativity, Qmote is capable of much more than this video can show. We're now raising funds to bring Qmote into production, and each of you can help make Qmote a reality. Thank you so much for your support.
Okay, it's a wrap.
Oh, okay, finally. Where's my phone?
Hey, we'll introduce you to Qmote.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh, here it is. Got it.
Have you noticed that today's Internet of Things is bonkers?
Turn on.
That's because the idea of the Internet of Things is based on 100-year-old technology, the remote control. And with your personal information going into the cloud, it's certainly not secure. That's why we at Silk Labs developed Sense, the first product using our Silk platform. Sense is a beautifully designed, intelligent addition to our modern lives. It's the eyes, ears, and brains of your home and is powerful enough to run apps just like your smartphone. Sense runs apps locally, not in the cloud, so your private moments with your family are safe and secure. And we use hardware-based encryption to ensure that only your device can see them from anywhere in the world. Sense is unlike any hub or camera you've ever seen or experienced before. It's intelligent, predictive, and can understand, respond to, and adapt to our daily human needs. No more remote control. No more pointless notifications. Just action and reaction when you need it without lifting a finger. How does it work? Silk is a powerful platform for connected devices everywhere. Soon, you'll be able to run powerful Silk apps on a wide range of devices that work together because they will all be speaking the same language. Silk's programming framework was developed by the team behind Mozilla's Firefox OS, one of the few teams to have built a mobile operating system from scratch. Silk apps run directly on Silk-enabled products, with simple APIs for computer vision, advanced hearing, deep learning, and user presence. You can easily create apps to make your life easier. If you can write JavaScript, you can write a Silk app. Soon we'll host an entire world of applications and extra abilities for Silk. We're excited to see what you come up with. Together, we can make the devices around us more human. Together, we can go from smart to intelligent. And together, we take full advantage of all the connected technology around us. That's what Silk and Sense are all about.
Hi, I'm Andreas, CEO of Silk Labs. Please join us in our mission to build the ultimate secure operating system for the Internet of Things by supporting our first product, Sense. Together, we'll bring intelligence to the devices around us so they can act a bit more intuitive, a bit more magically, a bit more human. We can't wait to explore the possibilities with you. Thank you.
The world we live in today is constantly moving. We're always on the go. But where are the things we care about the most? We wanted to create a device that can give you full control of your home from anywhere. Sentry has the ability to detect temperature, air quality, humidity, sound, and motion. It needs no installation, just simply plug in the device and gain a whole new level of control over your home. It's a dashboard for your home. It's adaptable to many different types of environments, customized to make it personal to you. We wanted to create something that is constantly learning, not just like any other product. With its detailed tracking and storing of your data, Sentry has the ability to learn your schedule and adapt to your own unique lifestyle. A device that'll be there for us, day to day, through rain or shine. We are a team that is passionate about making it possible for each person to turn their home into a smart home with one simple and affordable device. After 13 months, we've successfully created a working prototype, but we're in need of support to be able to deliver Sentry with the quality that we've envisioned. We wanted to create a device that can stay close to the things that matter. And we need your help to bring this dream to life.
Hello there, I'm John McAfee, founder of the McAfee Antivirus Company. Since leaving the company, I've become part of bigger and better things. This is my new product, EveryKey. This is my phone. I have to type a password into it 100 times a day. But with this, I never have to type another password again. And it's not just the key to my phone or my laptop. Mother***ing hell. This is not just the key to my online accounts, or the key to my car, or the key to my house. It's my EveryKey. I am the man who's obsessed with security, and so is EveryKey. Nothing is more secure. And if I lose it, I can remotely freeze it. Show me another key that can do that. So it's your choice. All of this, or just one EveryKey. Welcome to the revolution of access control. Welcome to EveryKey.
Why hasn't the security industry innovated? We wondered the same thing. Meet Abode, the world's first security solution built on your terms. Abode is beautifully designed for your home or apartment and is simple to install. It's also easy to take with you when you move. Abode allows you to monitor your home and alerts you to movement or unauthorized entry. But Abode is far more than an easy-to-use security system. Abode gives you complete access to your entire home from anywhere by using a secure and encrypted link to your smartphone, computer, or tablet. With built-in alerts and notifications, you can see what's happening at home, wherever you are. You decide whether or not to call for help.
Hey buddy, you forget to do something?
Say goodbye to false alarms. If Abode can't reach you, the Abode professional monitoring team can alert the police for you. With Abode's elegantly designed applications, you can also control your lights, locks, thermostats, and other connected devices, see streaming video, or check a timeline of events. You can easily add components to cover your entire home. Abode even works with devices you already own. In addition to familiar timer and scheduling features, with Abode's Geo-Fence feature, you can set up actions to occur automatically based on your current location. Abode can turn on your lights as you are driving home from work, open your garage door as you pull into the driveway, or turn the thermostat up when you land at the airport. Oh, and if you forget to lock your door, you can lock it automatically when you leave your house. It's all completely up to you. The Abode kit comes with everything you need to get started and is completely self-installable, including the powerful gateway hub, 2 door or window contact sensors, 1 key fob, 1 motion sensing camera with an easy-to-install magnetic plate, and an optional live streaming camera. And Abode doesn't require monthly fees or long-term contracts. Abode was built from the ground up with a professional-grade security foundation and has fully encrypted wireless communication between the gateway and all of its components. Cellular and battery backup are also built in to keep you connected at all times. Each system also includes a camera that uses infrared for reliable motion detection that works great whether it's day or night. Abode is an intuitive personal home assistant, built for security, but designed for your lifestyle. We're almost there, but we need your help to make Abode a reality. Please pledge your support on our Kickstarter page by buying one of our affordable packages. Your Kickstarter support is critical for us to finalize our tooling to begin shipping units this August. Thank you.